Hello, friends. I'm Alexius Varro, guiding you through the art of Stoic living. Today, we're going to delve into Chapter 80, titled Ready and at Home. We'll explore how we can arm ourselves with the resilience and mental fortitude needed to face life's challenges, using ancient wisdom from Seneca and some contemporary reflections. Ready to embrace adversity with dignity and strength? Let's dive in. Seneca's quote in this chapter provides a powerful foundation for our discussion. He writes, "Let torture stay far from me, but if I have to endure it, I will wish for courage, nobility, and greatness of spirit. Or, why should I prefer war? But if it starts, I will wish to bravely endure both wounds and hunger, and everything that the inevitability of war brings with it. I am not so mad as to crave illness, but if I do fall ill, I will wish for restraint and resilience. Therefore, one should not wish for misfortunes, but for the virtue that helps to overcome them." In other words, Seneca advises us not to seek out adversity, but to cultivate the virtues necessary to withstand it. It's an acknowledgement that while we may not control external events, we can always control how we respond to them. This mindset is crucial in both personal and professional realms, where unexpected challenges often arise. Let's consider the story of President James Garfield, which is highlighted in the chapter. Garfield was a remarkable man, a self-taught individual who rose from modest beginnings to become a hero of the Civil War and eventually the President of the United States. His presidency was cut tragically short by an assassin's bullet, but during his brief time in office, he demonstrated profound Stoic qualities. Imagine the political climate he faced: a deeply divided nation and a fractured political party. During a critical confrontation when his authority was questioned, Garfield declared, "Of course, I condemn war, but if it comes to my door, the courier will find me at home." This reflects Seneca's principle perfectly. Instead of hoping for an ideal world free of conflict, Garfield prepared himself to face adversity head-on with resolve and courage. Now, let's translate this ancient wisdom and historical example into our modern lives. We often encounter unexpected hardships, whether in our careers, relationships, or personal endeavors. It's natural to wish these difficulties away, but that's not practical nor stoic. Instead, we should strive to be like Garfield, ready to meet challenges with dignity. Think about a situation you currently find challenging. Maybe it's a project at work that seems insurmountable, a difficult conversation you need to have, or a personal setback. How can you prepare yourself to face this war, not with dread, but with a stoic readiness? First, acknowledge that adversity is a part of life. As Seneca suggests, hoping that misfortune will never reach us is folly. Accepting its inevitability is the first step towards resilience. Second, cultivate virtues such as courage, patience, and resilience. These qualities are like muscles that strengthen with use. Each time we face a challenge and respond with these virtues, we become more adept at handling future difficulties. Finally, anticipate challenges as if you were expecting an important visitor. This mindset transforms our approach from one of avoidance to one of preparation. When you're ready and at home, as Garfield poetically put it, you meet adversity on your terms, not as a startled guest, but as a gracious host. To wrap up, let's remember Seneca's wisdom. Therefore, one should not wish for misfortunes, but for the virtue that helps to overcome them. By embodying this principle, we can transform how we navigate life's inevitable challenges, emerging stronger and more resilient. Thank you for joining me today as we explored how to be ready and at home with adversity. If you found this discussion enlightening, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on living a Stoic life. Until next time, stay resilient and stay Stoic.